How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Crafting Cars. Today we're going to be tackling a project that literally just came in the mail. We're going to be putting on the Chevy Sonic. It's going to be exciting, fun, not really performance related, but it's got all the right noises that I know everybody loves to hear. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so I haven't really done this before, but let's do an unboxing, shall we? Let's see here. So like I said, just came in today. Could not be more excited. This is from B&R, or Bad News Racing. Came with some stickers. Here's the goodies. Look what we got. Oh crap. Came with yellow spring may be needed if you have your ECU remapped. Oh, okay. Gotta keep this. So it comes with an upgraded stiffer spring. Some rubber O-rings, I'm guessing for the item itself. Now the brand of this item is Forged, made by Forged Motorsports. Comes with their sticker as well. Add that to the pile. And that's pretty much it. Alright, now we get to the exciting part here. Here we go. This is what we call a atmospheric bypass valve. So since it's internally wastegated, the turbo on the Sonic is internally wastegated. What they use in its place is this, and what this does is it allows it to release all the extra pressure out into the atmosphere, which gives you the boost noises. So let's get these seals thrown on. I'll show you how you throw it on the car. Alrighty guys, so here is the bypass valve. I have the seals all in there and they're all oiled up for a good seal. I'm going to set that off to the side for now. Alright, first I'm going to take the air box off. Alrighty guys, so unfortunately, just because of how tight everything is in the engine bay, not even the chest mount is gonna end up working. So I figured I'd do a quick comparison between these two. They both sit like this, and then there's a little spring that comes out of here, and when there's so much pressure, it compresses it and it all gets recirculated in here, because as you can see, it's all closed off here. So it all gets recirculated forcibly back through this hose, whereas this one, it has the venting holes right here, and once the spring reaches enough pressure, it opens up and releases it to the atmosphere. Like I said, it is a lot tighter in there than I originally expected. I had to take off the O2 sensor and then a solenoid plug. Both those plugs needed to come out of the way, and this one was kind of this rubber hose right here is kind of tricky. So unfortunately, this video is going to be me getting it in there and talking after the fact. It's going to be a hoot of a time getting that sucker back in, but we do it for the noises, so it's totally worth it. We're gonna get it done. Alrighty guys, sorry the heater's going, but holy moly, that is tight. It's literally a 30-second of a turn with the ratchet. Just get a couple extra clicks out. I had to take the freaking headlight bulb covering off. That's how ridiculous it was. Alright, so got everything on, got the hose plugged back into the top. Everything's tight-ish. All I have to do is plug the 2 plugs back in, plug the wastegate back on like so, and we're ready for first startup. I hope that came out on camera. She certainly popped. Definitely has a really light spring in there. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Appreciate y'all sticking around. Hope you enjoyed this one. This is more of a fun one. Nothing really that needed to get done or anything like that. But with that being said, we still got a lot coming at you guys, so stay tuned. Don't forget to tell your friends, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.